Today we're going to bring an iPhone 16 Pro Max cases, and they come various colors, and I'm going to show you every single one of them. They got black, pink, orange, and of course gray too. Now, if you guys can see, you could actually see through the cases. Pretty much you can see the logos. It's a little faded. It's more like frost, right? If you can see that. Perfect cover for your actual area where your phone's at with your camera. It's protective. It has that little lip on top of it. So, and it's metal. It reinforced with metal on that part right here. Now, if you guys can see this part right here, it doubles as two different sources. All right, one's for a actual, you can hold your phone. It has a silicone thing that you can hold your phone now. It's like this, pretty much, and you can hold your phone. All right, that's one of them. And then the other one is actually the stand, and it rotates too. So this means that you could do your videos side one way, all right, or you could rotate it to the bottom if you want. You could even do that if you want to see it your way. Do you want to watch movies or something, or you want to film yourself? This is one way. And this thing rotates, right? It's mag charge, so you can put your charging station with not a problem at all, right? And this thing closes up. I like this part. This is one of my favorite things, and you can hear a little crackling in the background. Now, you do have access to all the buttons, all right, including the speakers and the microphones and your charging station in here. And you can see through the actual, a little bit through the skin, if you can see that. And then access to three buttons in the back, of course, and then access to the microphone, and everything's well built. You guys can see. Now, one thing that I didn't mention, that this thing has reinforcement in here on this edges. It's like hard plastic, right? On the outside it's more like silicone plastic, but the inside actually is more a little harder, right? Now you can see the metal framing of the lens in here. So, and then like I said, it comes with two different attachments, and you can see frost. You could barely see my hand in there. It's a frost, kind of like a floss plastic. If you can see it, you can actually see some of it. It's not bad, and they have different colors. I like the orange one. It's one of my favorite ones. So if you're running or jogging, and you could take this, cars can see you from far away. I mean, it doesn't reflect, but the light itself will reflect some of the actual brass and metal, if you guys can see that. Look at the buttons on this one. This is one of my favorite ones, the orange one. It's kind of like neon orange. That's what it is. So if you guys are looking for a really good case, well protected with extra attachments, I hope you guys enjoy this video.